Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about two PhD and one postdoc positions in the interdisciplinary DFG research training group. This PhD position is available in KIT Germany, PhD and one postdoc position. The Research University in Helmholtz Association creates impact knowledge for the society and the environment. It is our goal to make scientific contribution to mastering the global challenges of mankind in the field of energy, mobility, and information. For this, about 9,800 employees of KIT cooperates in broad range of disciplines in the research, academic education, and innovation. So you can take a look more about that. With its main focus of your studies will be like IT based system for supporting economic decision making it in dynamically changing contexts. KD2 school designing adaptive system for economic decisions covers six research areas at intersection of psychology, IT technology and economic institutions, fundamentals of cognitive system and neurosciences, individual decision in everyday activities, decision making in digital teamwork environment, group decision in online participation, the boundaries of adoption and addiction potential, link laboratory infrastructures. What they offer two doctoral positions for the areas 1 to 4. These 1 to 4 they are addressing like in these areas they are offering PhD positions. Human activity recognition for decision making health supervised by the Professor Michael. So these are like they have mentioned the professor's name as well here. You can take a look. These are the laboratories. They said if you are a female student, then you have more chances. They say that we prefer to balance the number of employees, therefore we kindly ask female applicants to apply for this job. Recognize several. So please send your application including your professional CV, certificate, research interest until December 31 using vacancy number in electronic form to that email address. You need to include these documents and then send to that email address. So this is the process of how you can apply, and you can also send here, you can add the name, phone number, country, nationality, and then merge those files into same one file. Okay, merge those PDF into one PDF and then upload it here and submit the application. This is very easy process of submitting the application. And if you have any more question related to that, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll respond to your queries. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then kindly subscribe to our channel. Take care and yeah, bye bye.